students, how are you? I hope you are very well. Welcome to our YouTube channel Nyanji Model School. Today, Standard 6, Subject GE, Unit number 1, Nouns. Previous video we discussed about of nouns. Nouns has two divided parts of proper nouns and common nouns. Common nouns has also divided into two parts, countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Countables now divided into two parts. First one, abstract nouns and concrete nouns. As a uncountable nouns has a two parts of first one, abstract nouns and concrete nouns. And we identify abstract nouns and concrete nouns today. Further moving. Forming abstract nouns. Forming abstract nouns. We can from abstract nouns from other words with the help of some suffix. Let us look at some examples here. This is word and here this is suffix, and the result is abstract noun. Here some of the example words, and here is a suffix and the result of abstract noun. Here for the example, first example word king. Here is a word king and the suffix is a noun. Suffix for the example is a noun. Subtract king plus down is equal to abstract noun. Here result is a kingdom. Kingdom. Forming abstract nouns. We can form abstract nouns from other words with the help of some suffix. And here is a word king and suffix is a noun, and then abstract noun is a kingdom. For the example, second example, sister. And here suffix is a hood, sister, and then abstract noun is a sisterhood. Sisterhood. Third example, friendship. Word is a friend and the suffix is a ship is equal to friendship. Friendship. Here word is a friend and suffix is a ship, and the abstract noun is a friendship. Fourth one, enemy. Enemy and the suffix is it. That is equal to abstract is enmity. Enmity. Here, next example, slave and suffix is re, and the abstract noun is a servant. Servant. Sixth one, trick. Word is a trick and suffix is e, and the result abstract noun is a trickery. And Deep. Word is a deep. Suffix is a teeth. And the abstract noun is a depth. Next example, short. Short, and the suffix is edge, and the abstract noun is shortage. Shortage. Write down on your book. Further moving. Further. Next example. Next example, real. Real and suffix is et. It. And the abstract noun is a reality. Reality. And second example, honest. Honest and suffix is a y. And the abstract noun is a honesty. Honesty. Second example, good. Suffix is ness. And the abstract noun is goodness. Goodness. Here, forming abstract nouns. Here, word and suffix, and the result is an abstract noun. Real and it. And the abstract noun is a reality. Honest and suffix is y. And the result is means the abstract noun is a honesty. And good and suffix is ness. Goodness. And abstract noun is a goodness. Here, now our chapter is clear. First, now further moving for the exercise focus. First one, fill in the blanks. First one, the child is crying. The child is crying because because it wants some blank in the bracket milk and milks. First blank is the child is crying because it wants some blank in the bracket milk and milks. As the know, there is no ruler for the milks. That's why here your answer is milk. The child is crying because it wants some milk. Second one, my school has three huge blanks in the bracket building or buildings. Blank is my school has three huge blank in the bracket building or buildings. Here my school has three huge. I think your answer is building. Am I right? No, because here the school has three huge. Here is the identifier of ruler. That's why your answer is buildings. Building is a singular and identify three huge means not a singular. It is a plural. That's why your answer is buildings. Third, silver or silvers blank is less expensive than gold. Silver or silvers blank is less expensive than gold. Here, gives the feelings about the not a singular or plural, because gold and silver noun as a abstract noun. Okay, that's why not a silvers, because silvers not plural is a silvers. That's why your answer is silver is. Silver is less expensive than gold. And you can say also that gold and silver is a cheaper than gold. That's why your answer is silver is less expensive than gold. Fourth one, this trunk is made of in the blank iron or irons. This trunk is made of iron or irons, and your answer is iron. Fifth blanks, I do not have the blank to go to the market now. I do not have the blank time or times to go to the market now. Here, times, time, not a ruler, is a times. That's why I do not have the, your answer is time. Time to go to the market now. Write down in your book. Here, further moving for the next exercise. Practice. Rewrite the following paragraph with the appropriate from the nouns given in brackets. Here give you a paragraph. Miss Shawn is a, in the bracket, is a travel or travels. Miss Shawn is a travel or travels agent. And here your answer is not a travels, because Miss Shawn is a singular. That's why your answer is a travel. Miss Shawn is a travel, in the bracket travel or travels. Miss Shawn is a singular. That's why your answer is a travel agent. When she travels, she carries very little, in the bracket, luggage or luggages. Luggage or luggages. Here, she carries very little means you identify very little means in a singular. That's why your answer is a luggage, not a luggages. Because otherwise, here your answer is luggages. Then she carries very little, not, and very means something big. That's why she carries very little luggage. She is in a desert safari in Africa right now with some guests. She is enjoying the beautiful She is enjoying the beautiful. Here in the bracket, scenery or sceneries. Sceneries around her. Around her. Here, according we discuss above, here is a singular. That's why your answer is a scenery. She is enjoying the beautiful scenery around her. She will sleep in a tent. There will be very little. There will be very little in the bracket. Here first, here second, here third, and fourth. Furniture. Furniture or furnitures. Furnitures in her tent. Here some of the words is identified is a singular or plural. Here word is very little. That's why your answer is a singular, is a furniture in her tent. Miss Sean will spend only a little in the bracket time or times. Here singular is a time. Your answer is time. In it, she has a lot of work or works. She has a lot of. Here your answer is work to do, but she will still have a lot of in the bracket fun and funds. Fun is already is a in a plural. That's why your answer is fun. Here your answer. In the grammar book, you can write a whole paragraph, rewrite and your correct answer. In the bracket, write down on your textbook. Okay student, further moving for the next exercise in our next video. Today your homework is in the grammar book. E-G-E, book. E-G-E, book. Page number 9 or 10. Page number 9 and 10 half. 10 and half. Here we discuss about that. Here only. Okay, student. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.